Dale Carnegie once said, "The person who goes farthest is generally the one who is willing to do and dare." Let's embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of leadership. We will delve into an important concept, the ability to influence. This idea is a central theme in Dale Carnegie's renowned book, The Leader You. Carnegie believes that our capacity to lead and influence others plays a significant role in our lives. It can shape our careers and personal relationships. But what does it mean, leader? Is it just about being in charge? No. According to Carnegie, being a leader is about inspiring and motivating others towards a common goal. It's about setting a vision and working together realize it. This concept shifts the perception that leadership is about authority or is only for a select few. Instead, it suggests that anyone can be a leader if they can inspire and influence others. It's not just about directing, but with a purpose. The book also emphasizes the importance of having a clear purpose, something that motivates you, something that makes you want to rise each day with enthusiasm. Alongside purpose, perseverance is crucial. Leadership isn't simple, always challenges, but it's the ability to persevere, regardless of the circumstances, that sets great leaders apart. Let's harness our leadership potential, set clear visions, and keep going. It's tough. A clear purpose and the ability to influence are the first steps to becoming. We will explore the concept of the Golden Book principles introduced by Carnegie in more detail later. The most crucial takeaway from The Leader in You by Dale Carnegie is the highly effective tool for leadership, known as the Golden Book principles. Imagine a set of guidelines, each focusing on a different aspect of leadership, all contributing towards a common goal. This perfectly captures the essence of the Golden Book principles, a deliberate strategy that can yield extraordinary results. If you're wondering how these principles can enhance the leadership capabilities of each individual, it's all about integration. Our individual strengths are amplified when we incorporate these principles into our daily lives. Each principle brings a unique perspective, and when these unique insights are applied, they create a power that greatly surpasses the individual parts. Think about the most successful leaders in the world. They are not defined by their authority, but their ability to inspire and influence. This demonstrates the power of the Golden Book principles. It is similar to a jigsaw puzzle where every piece, no matter how small, is crucial to the bigger picture. Carnegie emphasizes that harmony is crucial in leadership. It involves more than just giving instructions. It involves creating an environment where everyone can thrive. It involves fostering trust, respect, and mutual support. In such a supportive atmosphere, ideas are shared freely, challenges are tackled more effectively, and success becomes a team effort. But the truly remarkable aspect of leadership is its ability to tap into the unseen potential of others. Carnegie suggests that a leader's ability to inspire and motivate creates a dynamic source of energy and creativity, a catalyst for success that can only be accessed through collective thinking. To quote Carnegie, most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. This is the magic of leadership, a testament to the power of influence, cooperation, and shared purpose. Therefore, imagine what could be achieved if we implemented these principles, if we harnessed the power of leadership. The possibilities are truly limitless. We will delve further into this later. In the next chapter, let us examine the profound statements made by Carnegie. He suggests, it isn't what you have, or who you are, or where you are, or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about it. This is a concept we are going to dissect further. Carnegie views attitude not as a mere state of mind, but as a powerful force that shapes our perception of the world. It's the lens that colors our experiences, pushing us to view challenges as opportunities. Having a positive, proactive attitude is like having a compass in our journey. It serves as our guide, providing direction and showing us the path we need to follow. A positive attitude enables us to devise a solid, focused action plan. It helps us understand our strengths, recognize our potential, and figure out how to get there. Attitude also grants us resilience. It supports us to endure when the path becomes steep, when obstacles arise, when it seems we're wrestling with the wind. It empowers us to persevere, to continue striving, to keep moving forward. However, a negative attitude or a vague, undefined attitude can lead to confusion, indecision, and stagnation. It may leave us feeling lost, directionless, and stagnant. Therefore, it's essential to cultivate a proactive, positive attitude. So, if you are aiming to be a leader, if you are eager to inspire and influence others, start with positive attitude. Be exact about what you want and chase them with all your might. Summing up, a positive attitude is the fuel that drives leadership. Carnegie warns us about the 5 barriers to effective communication. Dale Carnegie, in his influential book, The Leader in You, identifies 5 fundamental barriers that hinder our communication skills. The first barrier is the lack of clarity. This barrier can lead to misunderstandings, confusion, and missed opportunities. Carnegie urges us to be clear and concise in our communication to ensure that our message is understood. Next, we encounter the barrier of assumption. This barrier can stifle creativity and hinder growth, especially for those who assume that others understand their perspective. Carnegie argues that we must learn to clarify our assumptions and ensure that we are on the same page with others. The third barrier is the lack of empathy, which can lead us to ignore the feelings and perspectives of others. Carnegie reminds us that empathy is the foundation of effective communication and essential for leadership. The fourth barrier is the fear of feedback. We may fear criticism, and these fears can hold us back from improving and growing. Carnegie encourages us to view feedback as an opportunity for growth, not as a threat. The fifth barrier is the lack of active listening. Many of us are so focused on what we want to say that we forget to listen to others. Carnegie suggests that listening is as important as speaking in communication. Overcoming these barriers opens the door to effective communication and leadership. As Carnegie states, to be interesting, be interested. Journeying through the key ideas in Dale Carnegie's The Leader in You, we revisit the central themes, explore the capacity to influence, the concept of the Golden Book principles, the importance of attitude, and strategies to overcome 5 barriers to effective communication. These are not abstract ideas, they are practical tools designed to transform your perspective on leadership and success. The capacity to influence is Carnegie's philosophy's cornerstone. He believed our ability to inspire and motivate others shapes our leadership. By focusing on positive, success-oriented attitudes, we attract success and prosperity. It's not about dictating, it's about fostering a culture of inspiration, motivation. We delved into the Golden Book principles, integrating guidelines that support our leadership journey. It's about creating a network of principles invested in our success, offering guidance, support, and resources. Leadership is a collaborative effort. The power of attitude was our third stop. Attitude, according to Carnegie, is the lens through which we perceive the world. Wanting success isn't enough. You must adopt a positive, proactive attitude. This attitude, action, and persistence, key elements in any leadership journey. Finally, we confronted the 5 barriers to effective communication: lack of clarity, assumption, lack of empathy, fear of feedback, and lack of active listening. If unchecked, these barriers can hinder our communication and leadership. Carnegie teaches us to recognize, confront, and transform these barriers into stepping stones. The central themes of The Leader in You are meant to empower and inspire. However, these only work if you do. Leadership a journey filled with learning, growth, and persistence. As we wrap up, we revisit a powerful quote from Dale Carnegie: "Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get." This encapsulates philosophy. Leadership is not just about achieving goals, but about finding satisfaction in our achievements. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration. Our journey doesn't have to end here. Let's continue exploring, learning, and growing together. Until then, keep leading and inspiring.